Hello guys, in today's video I'll be making this yummy tasty pasta. If today is your first time here, you are welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like and share. I will be using the following ingredients: yellow and red bell pepper cut into stripes. I will be using chicken seasoning. You can use any seasoning of your choice. I will also be using paprika pepper. This is optional. And then I will be using my fresh pepper called atarodo, the one you can tolerate. I'll go ahead to introduce my onion, which I have cut already, and thereafter I'll be using oyster sauce. And then I'll be using groundnut oil. You can use any oil of your choice. And thereafter I have sausages cut already. I will also be using chicken breast cut into stripes as well. I have here carrot cut into thin stripes. And finally, I'll be using pasta called pappardelle. The next thing to do is to add my groundnut oil into a clean pan and allow to hot for some minutes. And then I will add my sliced onions to saute for a while. I will add garlic and ginger paste and stir. Now I will be adding the chicken breast and stir fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Now that my chicken is cooked, I will go ahead to add my chicken seasoning, and thereafter I will be adding the fresh pepper and stir everything together. I will be adding the paprika pepper and then add the cut sausage and mix everything together to combine. I will go ahead to add the carrots and then the bell pepper and stir all these to combine. A little advice: whenever you are cooking, please look for a way to incorporate 1 or 2 veggies into your food. This is very important. Now I will cover this to cook for 3 to 4 minutes and reopen, and then I will be adding just a small water to mix this up. This is optional, and then I will cover up again to cook for another 1 minute, and then I will open up the pan. Wow guys, look at this. This is yummy. My kitchen is full of nice aroma. I have already added my Maggi and salt. Now I'll go ahead to off the gas cooker and take the sauce out of the fire. In a boiling water, I will be adding my salt, and then I will go ahead to add pasta and cook this for 5 to 6 minutes. Concerning my pasta, you can use any pasta of your choice. Now that the pasta is well cooked, I will go ahead to add it into the sauce and then mix everything together to combine thoroughly. Guys, look at this yumminess of pasta. I hope you try this out. And please, if you do, don't forget to tag me, subscribe and like. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.